Okay, this table got broken, so I'm going to try upcycle it a bit. Got an old pallet, see if we can put a wooden top on it rather than throw it away. It's one of these fold up ones, so hopefully we can save it. It's quite sturdy. Okay, so we've done the slats. We're making it into kind of like a picnic table. These are all out of a, these all come off an old pallet. We're going to rub it down. You can see we've taken all the corners off. We've kept the plastic underneath like that. We've just supported it behind these. It's not just done into the plastic. There's wood behind, struts behind to support it all. We'll show you a bit more once we've started rubbing it all down. And we've got a hole to put in the middle for the umbrella somewhere. But yeah, it's looking good at the moment. Hopefully the other bits of the table can take it, otherwise I've got to support them as well. There you go, job all done, sanded down. Just got to get some treatment. Get a bit of stain or something. But yeah, rounded all the corners off, everything like that, all done. It's quite sturdy. Hole in the middle for the umbrella. But it looks nice, like a little picnic table thing. Saved that from the dump. Anyone can do it. Cheers. Thanks for watching and subscribe.